Now, this is the most common engine issue, and if not handled properly, it could lead to serious complications. A misfire simply means that the engine is not firing properly. It means that either a cylinder is overfiring or underfiring. Now, how do you detect an engine that is misfiring? Number one, if the engine is vibrating unusually. Number two, if the engine is no longer firing straight, you could have a misfiring on hand. And number three, when the check engine light comes on, there's an issue. When your check engine light comes on, it's always good to have it checked. Most especially when the check engine light comes on is different from when the check engine light comes on and it starts blinking while you are moving. If your check engine light is blinking for whatever reason while you are moving, don't drive the vehicle. Have it parked and towed to the nearest mechanic workshop. What are the disadvantages of an engine misfire? A misfiring engine will consume more fuel. Now, a misfiring engine will not move well. The vehicle will lose performance. Now, depending on what is causing the misfire on that engine, other issues might come up later. But basically, 80% of vehicle misfire can be resolved that same day. So take your vehicle to the workshop, have it checked, and have it fixed.